Welcome to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into how to create a rule in Gmail on your Android device, step by step. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open up your Chrome browser. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Desktop Site to switch to the desktop version of the page. Now, navigate to Gmail. Once you're in Gmail, look for the search box at the top of the page. Here, you'll find an option called Show Search Options. Click on it to expand your search criteria. Now, it's time to set your criteria. Enter the details for the emails you want to filter. Next, you'll see an option to create filter. Click on it. This is where you decide what happens to the emails that match your search. Do you want to mark them as read, delete them, or forward them? Make your choice. After you've set your preferences, click Create Filter to apply your rule. Remember, this will only affect new incoming messages. And if someone replies to an email you've filtered, the reply will be filtered too, but only if it matches your original search criteria. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.